Don't laugh. Doing a backflip on this.
Today, we're gonna fix it flat. First things first, check and see if it's even flat. Bad. It's flat. Next, turn it upside down. Next, grab the right tools. Right here are all the tools that you might need for changing your tire. Maybe a rag too. To have your wheel come off more easy, just pop this off. Now these brake calipers won't be in the way of the tire. Now that our wheel's free, we can scoot this back, slide the chain off. Next you grab your spoons for your tire. I've got 3 metal ones. You could get a bike repair kit. Usually comes with 2 plastic ones like these, or this. If you don't have spoons, you can use screwdrivers, but I wouldn't recommend it. They're sharp and they could pop your tire. Just be gentle and work your spoon underneath the tire and pry it up over the rim. Just work your way around the tire. After the first few pries, it should just come off pretty easy. Take off your tire cap. Here's that bucket. Now we need to just fill it with water. There we go. Add some air in your tire. Right now I'm checking for air bubbles. If I see a stream of air bubbles coming up out of the water, that's your hole. That's what we're looking for right there. You want to mark your hole. Colored Sharpies work pretty well. Now dry off your tube. Now you want to let out all the air. There's our hole, scuffer. All those scratches lets the rubber cement seep in. Press that down and let it sit for about a minute. If you need more rubber cement on the corners, you can add that. She's all done. Before you put your tube in, add a little bit of air. Before you put your tube back in, check and see if there's any sharp things poking your tire. We're going to put that part in first. Sometimes you won't need spoons to get your tire back on, but lots of times you can do it by hand. There we go. Before airing up your tire, make sure that your stem is pointing towards your hub, or straight up and down, not crooked. Before tightening any bolts on your back wheel, make sure that the chain is tight. Always make sure that your wheel is straight. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.